don't worry about tomorrow. We just do what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free.
Good morning guys. Today is December 31. Happy New Year. Mamaya na, diba? Mamayang midnight. Alis kami, nakasando lang ako. Kukuha ko ng damit sa caravan. Si Caravan. Ayan, isasama ko si Sak. Si Johnny Boy. Nandito siya. And si Holly hindi sasama. Ha?
There you go.
Good. Ako ng damit dito. Kasi nga, madami akong damit pa dito. Yung susuotin ko ay yung oversized t-shirt. Si Kuya wala dito, guys. So, ayan, haray ko. So, ito yung t-shirt na oversized na nabili ko rin ito sa Korean. Kayoj. And biker shorts. Then, yung ating bagong paboritong bag. Diba? Ganyan. Then, gagamitin natin yung lahat na lang gamitin natin yung car ni Jan kasi etong caravan dadalhin na ni Jan sa guys, di ba nabanggit ko na yun sa inyo or hindi pa? Bukas, sa kami guys, sa Bay. Doon kami mag-New Year. Kasama si Mel and the other fam, sila mom and dad. Then, yeah. So, hindi ko dadalhin yung car. Yung car ko, yung hinuhugasan. Oh, yung hinuhugasan ni Holly car. Kasi, isi-set up na ni Jan yung caravan doon. Let's go, Zaki boy. See you, Holly.
See you, Mama. You look beautiful.
See you. Magpapa-nails din pala ako. Yeah. Come on, see you, Han. Come on, Zaki boy. Si Kuya, nabanggit. Natapos ko ba yung sinasabi ko? Si Kuya, nandun siya sa kaibigan niya. See you, Han. Okay. Hug sa daddy. Oh, hindi. Ha?
Barbecue steak and sausages.
Barbecue steak?
Yeah, it's barbecue steak. Sausages, some hamburgers, bit of chicken steak, something.
Ang dami niyang
noodles, salad, yeah.
Okay, ang dami niyang bilhin. Pang barbecue daw. Okay, let's go. Hinihintay ko lang si Zaki boy. Okay, see ya.
See you, Mama.
Ay, Sak! May galit to. Are you mad? Okay, okay, alis na tayo. Dito na kami sa my Kmart. Orderan ko muna yung Sak na ang pagkain bago magpa-SNS. Ito daw gusto niya, alams na. Which one? Dito na si Sak. Kumakain na siya. Nag-order. It's alright. Ayun ang avocado. Nag-order ako ng cookie sa Subway. Ito yung favorite ko, macadamia. Tapos kumuha ko ng iba-ibang. Kasi 6 for $6 eh. Yung iba, chocolate and raspberry. Yan. Magpa-nails na ako. Are you coming? Why don't you sit there, Sak? Next to my, shop. Next to my shop. Sarili mo yun. Next to the salon, nails shop. Come on. Naiinis ako. Tumawag ako. Sabi ko, magpapa-SNS ako around 11:30. Sabi niya, yes, I'll see you at 11:30. Pumunta ako, punong-punong sila. Sabi niya, can you wait 40 minutes? Yeah, I know. Sabi niya, 40. Mag-grocery pa kami isa, tapos magluluto pa tayo. Huwag na lang sila magpa-SNS. Next year na lang. Tapos na siyang kumain, pero nagreklamo siya. What did you say about your sushi? Small. Ang liit daw ng sushi dito. Which one's better? Big W. Doon sa sushi camp, mas gusto niya. Punta ako dito sa Foodland after niya kumain ng cookies. Tingin tayo kung anong meron dyan. Dito kami sa sa Foodland. Sausages? 20. Oh, wow. You think so? Alright. Yeah. Just put that one in there. Kuha rin tayo. Then, kuha rin tayo. Si Sak, ayan. Pinakuha ko siya nito. The burger, no, the sausage is in there. Okay. And kuha rin ako ng, magba-barbecue ako. Ay, sorry. Kuha rin ako ng ipang barbecue. And this one for barbecue. Sack here. There. Oo, sack. So, kumuha akong dalawa. Ayan yung isa.
Let's get some,
Para sa barbecue. Ha?
we got the normal steak.
Normal steak, yes. Okay, let's go. So, punta pa kayo sa Filipino store. Come on. See, that's all. I told you, I need you to carry my stuff.
Like that?
Yeah, I have my bag there. Thank you. Let's go, Sa.
Next?
Oh, heavy. Nagrereklamo si Zach, ang init-init daw. Tapos na kami dito. Pumunta kami ng Kate, may binili lang akong isa andun. So, punta na tayo ng Coast. Bibili tayo ng mga bilog na fruits. Hindi tayo nakapa SNS. Nagpabook tayong 11:30. Dumating tayong early, like 10 minutes early. And sabi, maghintay raw akong 40 minutes. Tama ba yun? Kaya ka nga nagpabook. Sabi ko, wag na lang. Next year na lang tayo. So, punta na tayo ng Coast.
Are you doing it next week?
Oh, do you want? Yeah, next year.
So
No,
tomorrow.
because tomorrow. No, not tomorrow because they're closed.
In 2 days.
Where do you want to go first? Coast or Filipino store? Kasi punta tayo ng Filipino store.
Coast or coast? Yep.
Ano, Filipino store na lang. So we can go this way. Yeah, Filipino store na lang muna. Dito na pala tayo. May mga tao doon. Namimili rin silang panghanda. Like yung mga fruit cocktail. Oh. Hot dog kasi nga. Magba-barbecue kami. The tender juicy na. Find the tender juicy. Kuha tayong dalawa. Here, under. Kasi pinapanap ko kanya, hindi niya mahanap. Gusto niya akong magbiko. Biko?
Yeah, that rusty.
Yeah, that's the one. The biko, rice.
What you need to
The, huh?
that character.
The Japanese rice.
No, the thing that actually
Ah, champurrado. Yeah. Yeah, but not for New Year. Gusto niya akong mag-champurado. Ah, pareho lang ba sila?
Oo.
Sure ka?
Ano lang sila ng packet kasi nga isa lang to. Ito 4. So,
Ah.
kung bibili ka niyan is $10. Pag bibili ka nito is 35. So,
Okay. Gusto ko sanang, masarap ba ang turon na
Masarap.
yan? Hindi ko pa na ano,
may
inatra.
langka.
Si Johnny Boy, magustuhan kaya to? Parang ang dami naman. Sige na nga.
Pero masarap.
Pareho lang sila niyan. Sige.
Pareho lang yung brand nila.
Okay, sige.
Kaso kasi adobo.
Kunin ako ng calamari. For calamari, yes. Oh, 1 kilo daw. 1 kilo ba to?
Oo.
Ayan. Hala, dapat keep frozen daw. Mag-grocery pa kami. Okay. Hala. Sak, I have another one, Sak. Ah. Nasa kanya? No, I'm alright. Okay, thank you. Happy New Year, Dayoy!
Ay, dito punta na.
Baka hindi kasi. Punta na tayo ng Coast. Sabi ko kay Sak, in a few years, siya na ang magaganito sa akin kasi mas matangkad na siya sa akin. So, kuha tayo ng mga bilog na prutas. Mango, mango. Do you think so? Here.
This one? Yeah.
Okay, that one. Get 5, maybe? Yeah, 5. Or 1 more. Okay. Yep. Next, ano pa? This one. 13, di ba? 13 kinds of fruits na bilog. 1. Yeah. Pineapple. Get 1.
What about this one?
That's too small. Get this one. This one. What? What's wrong? Oh, yeah. Stick. You have to get plastic sack. Kuha ko ditong... hindi na siya ganun kaganda. Dalawa nito.
This one.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Now we got this one.
Put it there. Careful, careful. Hindi na magaganda yung pomegranate nila. Isa lang nito. Kasi hindi siya maganda. Just one.
Get some plums.
Yeah. Of course, it's not that
What
good.
is it? We don't need this one.
Why? Yeah, we have that at home. We need it now for tonight. Wag daw kukuha kasi meron kaming
Yes.
puno. 6? Okay. Huh?
$12 for each.
No, a kilo.
How much is a kilo?
$12.
So how much do
I'm not sure how many. How many is that now?
that?
Okay, maybe that's enough. Okay. 5 of this. Ay!
$10. $9 per kilo. We'll get 2 more.
One more. 8. Okay. Peach. 1.
This one?
Is it good? Okay. Pinapabilang ko kung ilang klaseng fruits na. 7 kind. 7 kind? Okay, we'll get nectarine. What did we get? Peach. Okay, nectarine naman.
2, 3. No,
Okay.
4 is a lucky.
Or 5.
No,
5.
4.
Natatawa ko kay Zach. 5. Okay. Oh, 8? Okay, 8 na yung 8 kinds of fruits na tayo. Cherry. Let's get some cherry. Strawberries, yes. Ito tayong cherries. Matamis ba to? Tikman nga natin. Punasan na lang natin. Raspberries, blueberries.
Right?
So, 8. Okay. Ito yung pang... Bilog bang strawberries? Hindi naman siya bilog. Pa tayong blueberries. Want more? It's up to you. Okay. Kumaha siyang 3 raspberries and 3 strawberries.
2 of these, we have like 3 at home.
No, we almost finished it.
No, we have 3.
Well, just get more 3. Because I love blueberries as well.
That's 3.
Oh no, one more.
That's 7 blueberries.
Okay. Meron pa daw kayo sa bahay. How many we have?
Got, so we start from 8.
No, how many blueberries do we have at home? No, at home.
Oh, we got
3.
3.
Meron pa daw 3 sa bahay. Siya pag kumain isa hanggang ganito. Si Holly din.
13.
Grapes, Zach. Don't forget the grapes. Walang red. Walang red na grapes. Tikman natin. Pinupunas lang dito.
And lemon.
This one. Ito. So, how many fruits do we have now?
11.
11? You sure? Siyang nagbibilang eh. So, halos fruits lang yung nakukuha pa lang natin. Mandarins. Here. So, how many fruits now?
That's
14.
14.
Oh, sobra na tayo. 14 kinds of fruits na tayo. Okay, that's it for the fruits. Mag-roast pork tayo for New Year. Here, Zach. Get ham here. Zach, here.
That.
How ng bacon. Thank you, Zaki boy. Yeah. Yeah, coffee. That is coffee. Milk. Here. Pura. Cream sack here. Mahuhulog na. Apple juice.
That's one Vegemite roll.
Vegemite rolls. Okay. this one.
No, we already got.
No, I finish it. Jackie boy, Vegemite. It's only one left. Bili ni Johnny boy. Yeah, no more. Yeah. Got tayo nitong chili. Okay. Okay. Butter. Yeah. Daddy wants that one. Yeah, fruit bags as well. For tayong condensed milk. Meron pa ako ata doon na dalawa or isa. And cream. Eggs. Check. Okay, good. You have to be careful with this one, Zach. Okay. I like this one. Ah, this is no sugar? No. Okay. I just got one here.
Yeah, we'll get two of them and then where's the...
I want the apple. Here.
There's still tropical.
Yeah, but I like this. Get more
You're
of.
not the only one that likes apple. You promised everyone else.
Alright. So, tatlong apples. What? Berry. So, how many?
We'll get probably get
So, 1, 2, 3. So, 6, 7. What's that?
one more tropical.
Oh, you like tropical? I like apple better. No, it's alright. Don't read.
There's two apples.
It's alright. It's alright because I love apple.
They're probably...
Hoy, maganda tong kasama sa grocery. Tumitingin siya sa presyo. Yeah, pareho. Pinipigilan niya si mami. Okay, how many now? 2, 4, 6, 7. Ito isama nyo, guys. It's up to you. Do you want 8? Go. Number 8 is lucky number. No, you don't need that one. Just get that one. The black carrot. Yeah, get this one of this. Oh, pero ibang brand na siya. Okay na yan? So, kasi nga magka-caravan life tayo eh. Okay. You right? Okay. I need Sprite for my... Huh? Wait man, oy. Coke. Okay, get. How many you wanna get? Siya na nagdi-decide. Okay. Tayo niyan. Where are you gonna put that one? Get the pork. Well, wait. I'll get the pork. Yeah, wait. I'll get this one. Okay, put that one. Up. Yeah. No. Wait.
I'll get the hand.
Okay. Alright. Kaya mo? You're right? You sure? Is it with sugar or no sugar? Hala. Do you want to do it? Okay, ako lang taga-video sa...
Hello?
You think so? We got lots of drinks now.
But is that like enough? Like,
Super dupa. Come on.
I could just go get it.
No, come on. I'm gonna go with you. Help me. That one. Yeah. Get 2.
This isn't a lot.
Huh? Let me see. Yeah, this one. Para maging masaya ang daddy. Here. Okay. No, I don't know. Whatever you want. Get one. Gusto niyang kumuha dalawa. No, it's all. That's right. Kuha ako nito. Yes, this is the one. Linguine for our pasta. Mag-carbonara tayo. Yeah. Kumuha rin pala ako nito. That's it. No, just one. I still have at home. I think I still have, no. Okay. Naubusan ako nito eh. Hoy, sak! Okay, this. And we need the toilet paper. Come on. Is it triple butter? Triple. Just one? Because how many? What? 4 pieces in there. Okay? Masarap to, guys. Nagustuhan to ni Sak. Kumuha din si Sak ng... You like that? Tim Tam. Salt and vinegar? That one? For Daddy? You want this? Honey chicken soy... honey soy chicken? Tapos na tayo, guys. Bayad na. Thank you, Zach. Nagbagay lang ng divider doon si Saki Boy. The bag first. The bag first. Huh? Yeah, put the bags. Okay. You have to put the heavy one first. The heavy one first, not this one. The heavy one, like... No, I mean the drinks. The drinks. Because there's chips here. This one. Alright, let's go. Ayan, tapos na tayo dito sa Coles.
You can carry the bag.
Yeah, I'll carry this one. Meron pa ako dito. Oh, diba? Watch out for the people, ha? Yeah, that's Daddy. Oh, no. So, where are we gonna put all this? My goodness. Nandito pa mga golf stick nila. So, what? Hindi naman ang paraan ni Zach. Okay. Pero meron pa kami dito. Hindi na kasya. Oh, it's locked. Then, dyan na lang namin ilalagay. Careful with the other car, ha? Ay, no. Dito naman tayo sa Baker's Delight. Yung mga papeles ni dyan, nilagay dito ni Zach. Yes, put it there. Tapos, binuksan namin yung window. Muntik nang magsiliparan sa labas. Okay, let's go. Last stop natin, Baker's Delight. Ano na guys? 2:30 na. Matagal ko kayo hindi dito na dala. Si Jang kasi ito talagang favorite niyang bread. Baker's Delight. You want, this one? You don't like the sriracha? This one? Hi! Order na kaming bread. Punta tayo dito sa She's Apples. Zach, do you wanna eat? Okay, we need this one, the tangy sauce. Yes, and then the pasta. Okay, hold this one for Mother. I get this one. May trong mas malaki, guys. Ayan, oh.
Get this one.
Huy! Come on.
That all?
Yep, eto na yung bread. Ayan, si Sak. Kumuha si Sak na yung may hotdog. Yung mini hotdog. Good?
Yep.
Pakainin natin siya kasi... No, I'm good. Thank you. Pagod na pagod yung kakabuot ng mga groceries. Okay, uwi na tayo. We're going home. Yung mga tinapay namin nandito, oh. Kasi ayan yung iba. Okay, let's go home. Mag-ice cream sana. Kaso close. Sabi para may isa. Thank you, Mom. Okay, yun. Ubusin niya. Okay? Tingnan nyo, naubos niya yung yung hotdog. 3 niya na maliliit na may bread. Aww. Sorry, Zach.
Oh, done na. I can just eat at home.
Alright. Dito na kami sa bahay. And ayan pala yung bike ni Holly, diba? Hindi ko pa siya na-feel na nira-ride niya yan. Mag-unpack pa tayo. Nasa car pa yung mga pinamili natin. Papakita niya raw sa atin.
Take time.
Take your time. Malaki pa kasi yan sa kanya. Wow. You have to wear your helmet, Baba, ha?
I'll show you. Stop.
How you stop? She's really good now. She's a big girl now, babe. Tingnan mo naman, malaki na yung bike niya.
Righto.
Oh, you're not scared now. Before, hinaharang siya ni Zach.
Right, come here, bub. Please stand down.
Dito tayo sa caravan kasi nga ilalagay natin yung mga pinamili natin dito. Is the fridge... Is it open? Yeah. Okay. Oh.
And just leave whatever you want to take. Whatever
Yeah,
you want to
give me
take
that.
back inside.
Ito yung itsura ng fridge natin ngayon. Walang naman, syempre, yes.
Could I put some in?
Yeah, ayan. Empty. So, busugin natin to ngayon. Yeah, some. Maybe once. Oh no, this is mine. This is mine. The Fanta one. That one.
Both of them?
No, just one for now. And then one Coke. Fruit box. But we have, I
But
wanna...
I'm putting them in. You can break them.
Yeah.
Mom, don't break your nails. You just got them done.
No, I didn't because they're busy. Okay.
Let me put them in. Tell me where to. Here?
Yeah. Yeah. And I think there's more.
Yeah, there is more, Mom. We'll put them
I
at the
think
top.
we can do this, Baba. You think? No.
No. We
Okay.
can just put...
You just put one for now. Oh, where's my apple? I like the apple one. Okay, put this daddy's drink first. The coffee. Coffee. Put the coffee here.
I don't...
Oh no, there, Baba. There. On the bottom. Okay, it's alright. Ilagay muna namin ang mga... Hindi pa rin ako tapos mag-put away dito. Pero ayan na yung ating 13 kind of fruits. Ayan. As in, 13 talaga siya. Hindi nga pala tayo kumuha ng pomelo. Ano siya? Rust na siya. Nilinis niya rin kasi itong caravan siya. Kaya yung, yung car. So, ayan. Ang kalat-kalat. Yung fridge. Ayan na. Hindi pa yan tapos. Ayan. Tinanggal ko yung dito, diba? Soft drinks dyan kanina. Ito, nandun na sila. Nandito yung ibang fruits. Ah, cherry. Did I put cherry? Yeah, I got cherries. Okay. Alright. So, tapusin ko lang to si Holly. Nagugas ng plum kasi gusto niya to. Pumunta siya sa bahay para hugasan. Okay, tapusin ko kasi ang dami pa, guys. So, tapos na ako, guys, mag-put away. Ito, basura. And meron akong tirang eggs kasi hindi siya nagkasya doon sa tray kasi 12 pieces lang ang pwede doon. Ito na yung itsura ng ref natin, guys. Wait lang. Ayan na yung ating ref. Oh, 1 week tayong magka-caravan life. Oh, ayan yung mga fruits. Mga drinks. And dito, nilagay ni Jan yung isang Baker's Delight na bread. Tapos yung super dupa kasi hindi naman natin makakailat ng bread kasi ayan, dami pang bread na nasa labas. Tapos ayan na yung fruits na 13 kinds of fruits. Tapos ayan yung kay Johnny Boy na Vegemite rolls. Tapos yung mga chips, alam nyo naman kung saan natin yan nilalagay pag nagka-caravan. So, andyan sila. So, yeah. Si Jam pala, pumunta siya sa Bay para bumili ng spiral noodles para sa ating cold salad. Kasi, yun ang nakalimutan ko, guys. Meron tayo yung kinuha sa cheese apples na yung tangy sauce. Wala tayo yung noodles. So, yan, guys. So, punta na ako sa bahay kasi maghihiwa pa ako ng aking iba barbecue. Tapos, magro-roast pork, then carbonara. Yan yung handa ko for New Year. And yung pusit pala, hindi ko pa nalabas. Magpupusit. Gusto ko mag-adobong pusit. Pero yung ibang klaseng pusit. Ibang klaseng luto. So, yeah. Okay, punta na tayo sa bahay. Si Sak, doon na siya. Naglalaro na yun ng PS kasi pagod siya sa kakasama sa atin. So, Hindi niya na ako tinulungan dito. And si daddy niya lahat nagbuhat papunta dito sa caravan. Diretso talaga sa bahay. Pagdating namin, diretso siya sa loob ng bahay. Okay, pasok na tayo sa bahay. Dalhin ko yung mga tira. And nagtira rin ako ng iba-ibang prutas para ilagay din sa bahay. Kahit wala tayo dyan sa bahay bukas. Pero midnight, nasa bahay pa pala tayo, guys. So, bukas tayo pupunta ng bay. Okay, punta na ako sa bahay. Binuksan ko ulit yung ref kasi nakaka-happy na may laman na ulit siya, oh. Okay. Punta na tayo sa bahay. And eto pala, sabi punta na tayo sa bahay. Eto pala, andyan pa yung ibang mga fruit box tsaka coke. Kasi hindi naman yung kasya sa ref. Akala ko, guys, tapos na ako mag-put away. Meron pa ako ipaput away. Ayan, no, yung mga binili ko sa Asian store. And nung Thursday pala, nag-live selling ako, guys. Tapos, nung Thursday din, may bago akong boxes, 3 boxes na dumating. Ayan, binuksan ko. Pero hindi ko yan ni-live. Ang ni-live ko ay yung iba. Pero eto, binuksan ko lang to. Tinignan ko yung laman. So, ayan. Makalat dito ngayon. Ayan yung mga naman. So, hindi ko pa sila na-invoice. And nag-alahas din ako. And nabili na yung yung inspired na nail bangle na may na yun, tsaka yung iba pa. So, yeah, kailangan ko pala sila i-invoice. Naghihintay ng invoice yung nakabili ng alahas natin. Pero kailangan natin magluto. So, siguro later na lang, magluto muna ako, ha? Magluto muna tayo kasi anong oras na? Alas 4 na. Magluto muna ako. Dumating na pala si Johnny Boy. Ito na yung ating spirals, yung large. 2 kinuha niya. Ayaw din niya maubusan. And si Sak, inutusan kong bumili ng uling sa shop. Sana meron kasi magba-barbecue tayo. Hiwain ko na yung pork na iba-barbecue ko. At tapos ito yung hotdog. Kasi ibababad pa yan. Mamaya pa naman yung gabi. Then, unahin ko siguro yung spaghetti. Yung ano ba yun? Sabi ko sa inyo, nagagawin ko carbonara. Tapos ito, dapat kanina ko patuloy na. Basta itong pusi. Gagawin ko siyang maanghang na maanghang. Dad, it's not here yet.
His cozy.
I'm not sure. Yeah. Dito na siya. Nag-ride siya ng bike. Okay. No, put it outside, love. Because we're gonna do the barbecue outside later. Ayan pala, guys. Naghihiwa na ako ng yung iba-barbecue ko. Ayan si Mother. Si Mother. Kausap ko nandiyan yung kapatid niya din. Si Tita. Nagbisita. And ako, eto yung sauce para sa aking barbecue. Ayan. So, hiwain ko muna to. Tapos, ayan, kausap ko si Mother. Ayan. Happy New Year, Ma! Happy New Year, love! Tapos na ako, guys, maghiwa ng pork. Ayan, minamarinate ko na. Kausap ko yung tita ko, kapatid ni Mother, ha? Kapatid ni Mama. And eto, mag-roast na ako ng loin roast. Ayan, yung pork. Oh, nag-vlog ako ta. Ayan si tita. Nakabis na siya. Oh, Happy New Year. Si Papa naman ang kausap ko. Nasaan ka na pa? Where's Papa? Ayan si Pa. Pinakita ni Papa, daw siya ng buhok. Nag-color? More? Okay. Inano na pala ni Jan yung uling. Sinindihan niya na. Gumagawa na pala ako ng salad. Yeah, you have shower, Sak. Freshen up.
Tell Gabby here in a minute.
Yes, and then naluto ko na rin yung pasta. Sinasabihan na sila mag-dress up nice. Hi, have a shower now. Naghihintay na yung, sabi niya, naghihintay na raw yung uling sa akin dun. Eto pa, hindi ko pa siya natutuhog. Tuhugin ko muna to. Ayan na pala, guys, yung ating roast pork. Tanggalin ko na to dito. No, that's Mama. Say hi to Mama. Ito na pala yung fruit salad. Ito yung kay Jan. Ito yung sa akin. Kasi lalagyan ko siya ng cheese. Hoy, I miss you da. Sabi.
I miss you too.
Miss you too. Ayan pa si Mama. And natuhog ko na yung barbecue. And ito yung pinagbabarang ko. Gagawin na natin siyang sauce.
Is this fruit salad, Mom?
Yes. Dito na pala tayo guys. And ayan na yung sauce ng ating barbecue. Ayun pala. Naglagay ulit ako ng uling kasi parang paubos na pero sobrang ng init nito. Ayan. Yung mga bata nakaligo na, nakabis na, nagbabike sila kanina. Dapat dito lang. Iurong ko yung uling, no? Kasi ba masunog yung stick. Ayan na guys. In-adjust ko na yung uling. Ha? Wait. I need something, kuya. Just rip that one, yeah. Ah, no, not that one. Ayan, meron tayo ditong karton.
What is that?
The sauce for the barbecue. Uy, diba? Ang haba kasi. Ay, naku, kuya. Na ano siya dyan, ano yun? Ano ba dun? Nasabit siya dun sa upuan.
Ano na this again?
To pay-pay.
The pie. What am I going to... Oh. Mom, I've got Holly's bike here. Holly, don't leave your bike out there.
What? What's wrong?
See this bike, how small it is?
Yep.
You see it compared to hers?
Well, she's growing. She's just like you. You can swap when TJ start.
And can I do it?
Yeah, okay. Sila na dito magpaypay kasi lulutuin ko pa yung carbonara sauce. Sak, you don't have to do that, Isak. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is paypay.
That's not full.
No, it's alright. Sila mama, naririnig nyo. Ang saya nila mama doon. Kasama yung kapatid niya. Okay, magluto na. Diba? Parang nasa Pinas din ako kasi ang ingay ng aking tita at ni mama. Ayan pala yung naluluto ko. Tapos ayan yung pasta. Sauce na lang.
I had that for a long time.
I know.
20 years.
How many years?
2, like, no, 3, 4, 5.
Nah.
That's where we had it like last year, I think.
No, we didn't have this last year, but
That's cool.
it's been a long time. It smells like what, Kuya?
Wait,
Philippines.
is it? What's that? Wait, was it a hot dog on one of
Yeah, we're gonna cook hot dog after
Oh, I
this.
did cooking the hot dogs. I don't know how to cook them.
Yeah.
Same.
Luto na to.
Okay.
Ayusin ko na.
And then.
Oh, Kuya, careful!
Again, stop!
Nag-volunteer sila maglagay.
Oh, put one more.
One more, yeah.
This one? Where?
Yeah.
There. Not that one.
Ako na.
Papaya.
What's that?
Papaya time? No!
What?
Chicken strips.
What? Don't do that.
It's a
What do you...
kebab.
No, what do you call this?
Papaya.
Pay-pay.
Papaya.
Pay-pay.
Papaya.
This one, pay-pay.
Oh, that's kebabs.
I-try natin. Who wants to try?
Steve.
Oh. Hot, huh? Just bite a little bit for now so it's hot.
That's good. What do you know?
Kuya,
Hang on, Holly next.
you're right.
That's so good.
Good? Come on.
That's
Come on here. Just bite. Bite. Just bite, yeah.
Oh, you
Ah.
got a big bit of me. What are you doing?
Wait. Let me bite first.
So I don't get the big bits. Mommy, my turn.
I had that bit. Look.
Mmm.
Thank you.
Good? Yeah. Nakainom na siya, guys. Galing siya sa friend niya kay Bryce.
Roll a song.
We were gonna go to
Let me see you.
the then we didn't.
What time is it now, Han?
20 to 10.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Is it, Kuya?
I feel like 6 because I was at when I got to Cairns after we rode. It was 12 o'clock.
What time is it, Han?
Yeah, nearly 10 o'clock.
Oh my God. Hindi pa ako nakakalutong carbonara kasi nga pag ganun-ganun ako. Naghihiwa pa lang ako ng sibuyas saka bawang. Pangalawa niya na yan. Careful with your clothes. Ngayon yung New Year sa New Year, yung party sa Filipino community sa gusto nilang pumunta kasi para makapaglaro. Kailangan ko magluto tapos bukas alis din kami maaga ata. Not sure kung anong oras kami alis pero alis kami bukas. So, feeling ko mapapagod. Ako yung mapapagod. Okay lang sa kung nakapagluto tayo ng maaga, pero hindi eh.
And a drink, and then...
Yes, nasunog yung hotdog kasi nga nagluluto rin ako sa loob. Yung mga bata pumasok, nakalimutan ko din. Okay, hindi ko inubos lutuin kasi ang dami na. Ayan, hindi naman mauubos. So, ilalagay ko to sa freezer na tira. And ito na yung here. So, ayan yung ating carbonara sauce.
Yeah.
Just put it. This one, I want this out, Han. Na yung ating carbonara, guys. And meron pa akong bacon sa air fryer. Kung may naririnig kayong maingay, sila mama yan. Kausap ko sila since nung nakita nyo sa vlog. Kaninang hapon pa. Simula nag-start ako magluto. Ilalagay ko lang to ulit dito. And sobrang gusto ni Kuya. Syempre, tinikman niya na. Ayan na yung carbonara, guys. Maglalagay pa ako ng crispy bacon on top. Nasa nasa air fryer. Then, Parmesan cheese. And then, magluluto pa akong ayan pa, pusit. Hindi pa pala tayo tapos. Tapos na yung carbonara. Nalagyan ko na ng crispy bacon and Parmesan cheese. Pipitas lang tayo ng parsley for garnishing. And ang ingay-ingay kila mama kasi yung mga sasakyan nagbubusina. So, feeling ko nasa Pinas din ako. Kanina ang ingay, marami nagbubusina. Kasi malapit sila sa may kalye. Okay. Ayan. Ayan si Papa. Sobrang busy niya din magluto. Oh. Kasi mama. Ayan. At saka ang ingay ng mga sasakyan, si tita yun. So, ito na yung aking iaasal na pusit. Sila Papa, ayan pa din. Busy. 11 o'clock, ha?
Chocolate cleanse and taste like something.
Yeah. 11 o'clock na sabi ko, wait lang. Hintayin natin mag 12 o'clock. So, pinakain ko muna sila. Parang Philippines. So, pinakain ko muna sila ng hotdog. Ayan. Ayan na yun. Ayan, nagluto rin pa akong sticky rice. Yung ating favorite ni Jan na Biko. Ayun si Jan. Siya yung nagpapaypay sa pusit ko. What? Is it Coke? Not yet? Pala ako ng papaya. Tumigil si Jan kakapaypay ng pusit. So, ayan. Papaya. May isa pang lulutin yung isang pusit. Guys, tapos na ako magluto. And how many minutes, Han, before the countdown? 4 minutes. Si Holly hindi na nakaabot, guys. Tulog na si Holly. And meron na lang akong 6 minutes left dito sa aking SD card. Ayan na pala yung ating handa for 2022. And kinuha ko yung fruits dun sa caravan. Kasi yung caravan nandito pa. Bukas pa raw ilalagay ni dyan sa shed. Kasi si Auntie Mel wala pa. So kailangan mauna si Auntie Mel dong. Kasi dun siya sa may looban. And ayan pala yung handa natin, guys. Ayan yung pusit na inasal ni John. And eto yung isang pusit na sobrang anghang na recipe ni Papa. Tapos ayan yung ating crispy and favorite ni John na dessert. Yung dalawa. Yan. Hindi ko na nagawa yung ating mango float kasi wala na akong time, guys. Pero yeah, at least meron kahit pa paano. Happy New Year. Malapit na 4 minutes. Sila mama. Tapos ka na magluto? Tapos ka na magluto? Hindi pa. Si Holly hindi na umabot. How many minutes? 1. Happy New Year! Not yet. Baba, Happy New Year, Baba! Baba, Happy New Year!
It's still 1. It's still 11.
Look.
59.
Countdown!
No,
Baba, come on!
Sydney. No, that's right.
Sydney, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Baba, Happy New Year! Baba, Happy New Year!
Johnny.
Happy New Year!
Yes, Zach and
Happy New Year, Baba! Oh, di na kinaya ng ating car wash. Oh, sabi niya pagod daw to kakahugas ng ng caravan tsaka ng car.
Happy New Year, babe.
Happy New Year, honey. Wow. Mwah. Love you. Buti pa siya nakabihis. Ako, kung ano suot ko kanina, yung pa rin. Right. Ayan, ang ingay na. Narinig niyo? Feeling ko nasa Philippines ako. Kain na kami, guys. Umabot yung ating handa sa New Year. Akala ko malilate tayo. Sabi ko, baka nagluluto pa ako. Pero hindi na. Okay na. And konting linis na lang dyan. Nahugasan ko na yung iba. Konting linis na lang. Pero yeah, kain na kami.
Did you get card right tonight?
Yes, I did, honey. I did a lot. 4 minutes left na lang yung aking SD card.
Have I said Happy New Year?
Not yet. 2 more hours in the Philippines, I think. Yeah, 2 more hours, right? Papa is still cooking crispy pata. Happy New Year! Ang sarap!
I'm only gonna eat this.
Naalala ko ang aking bahay sa Pinas. Bahay ni Father.
Oh, I can't wait. It's better. No, it's better, but
Big right, huh?
it feels the same, you know.
Feels the same what? Feels the same.
Yeah.
Every year. Nagluto tayo. Kasi kanina, gutom na sila. Kumain sila ng barbecue hotdog. Nakailang silang hotdog. Sabi ko, wait lang sa rice din. Wala, hindi sila nakapigil. Kumain ng hotdog. Ngayon, hindi sila kumain ng kanin. Barbecue na lang kinakain nila. Eh, si Kuya hotdog. Hindi sila kumakain ng rice sak. Nakita nyo ba? Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko. Kumain sak ng fruit salad. Display lang yung food, guys. Ako din parang hindi rin ako. Yeah, I know. I don't feel like eating. Happy New Year! Walang kumakain! Naputol tayo kanina kasi naubusan na tayo ng memory. So, nag-transfer ako saglit sa computer. So, meron ako mga 14 minutes. Pero, end ko na yung vlog. Kumain pala ako. Kinain ko yung inasal na pusit. Kunti lang naman. 2 ata. Tapos, yung super anghang. And, ayan. Bukas yung kakainin. Yan. Bukas yung kakain. Si Sak kumain. Si Kuya kumain hotdog. Tapos, barbecue. Si Sak salad. Eh, nakapaghugas na rin ako. Nakapaghugas na rin ako sa kusina. Ayan. Ayan, o. Nakapaghugas na tayo dyan. So, wala na akong hugasan bukas. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay iligpit na to. Ilagay na sa fridge. Kasi yun naman lagi ang ginagawa ko pag New Year. Pero at least, gising sila lahat, diba? So, end ko na yung vlog, guys. Ano na tayo? Haggard na. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Pero alam ko late nyo ito mapapanood. So, Happy New Year pa rin. So, yun na, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung vlog natin. And I'll see you next year. Ay, next year. See you tomorrow. Caravan kami bukas, guys. Dadalhin namin yan doon sa bay. So, yan yung pagsasalo-saluhan namin. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Happy New Year again. And I know late nyo ito mapapanood. So, yun na, guys. Tulog na yung mga kasama ko. Alauna na kasi. Kausap ko pa rin sila. Ayan sila. Yan si tita. Kausap ko pa rin sila. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good morning. Happy New Year. Okay. Tulog na ako. Ligpit ko pa pala to.
Because I think I do want you next to me.